been nearly 1 month since China imposed a lockdown on Wuhan, where a mysterious virus first emerged. On 23rd January, officials shut down all urban transport networks and suspended all outgoing flights, putting Wuhan's 11 million residents under quarantine. And this was later extended to the entire Hubei province of about 60 million people. The COVID-19 outbreak has now spread to dozens of countries and cities. Globally, more than 75,000 people are infected and over 2,000 dead. But it's worth noting that an overwhelming majority of those figures are from mainland China, and that's where the effects of a lockdown are most keenly felt. 500 million people, that's the number of people in China affected by the ongoing lockdowns, according to a Reuters estimate. And as of mid-February, almost 50 cities and 4 provinces were under some kind of lockdown. The closure of parks and businesses such as cinemas and restaurants have all but wiped out consumption. The quarantines also mean that workers couldn't return to work. Stores from Starbucks to Apple had to shut their branches in China. The impact on consumption and production has led economists to cut forecasts for China's GDP growth. Last year, full-year growth was 6.1%, the slowest in 30 years. For this year, first-quarter growth could drop to as low as 3.5% if production can't return to normal levels quickly enough. With China's economy accounting for 19% of the global economy, the rest of the world isn't immune. Now, Apple warned on 17 February that it will not meet first-quarter earnings. Production at Apple's Chinese factories is resuming at a slower pace than hoped, and demand is also hit as all Apple stores in China remain shut. And it's the same tune from global institutions. The World Bank has warned that supply chain disruptions across sectors from electronics to automobile may lead to lower than expected global growth. And the IMF said COVID-19 could derail a fragile economic recovery this year. Lockdowns are not only affecting movement within China, it's also curtailing travel out of China. Chinese tourists are the world's biggest spenders. So travel bans and flight cancellations will take a big toll on the travel industry.